What's up, West Coast Swing fans? You might wonder why my back was to the camera. That's because today's video is a behind the back whip where it's all happening behind the back for the leader. But recently, Megan and I did a video titled 11 Whips You Need to Know for West Coast Swing. So after we teach you the behind the back whip, stay to the end and I'll share 10 more whips that you're gonna need to look great on the social dance floor. The behind the back whip. And Megan actually hates this without a turn. I can feel it in you. So behind the back whip. I didn't say that, but I do. It's happening behind the back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So leader's footwork for that one. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We leader back 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this hand that goes over the top. The rule is, same as before, I have to make sure to lead that whip. So we said the principles are more important. In all of these, I have to be leading that as I 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Same thing here. When I go across, we go 1, 2, 3, and there's that delay, right? I step across the slot on 4. We take Megan 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, going back to the inside and outside turn. You can add an inside or outside turn to all of these to create new cool patterns. So one of the ones we do off this is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So what is that, Miss Megan?
That is a whip with an outside turn.
Bingo, right? Whip with an outside turn. Show the footwork once.
All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
And that is a phone call. We're gonna see who it is. Who's calling us on video? Spam. Spam. We're gonna keep rolling with that. All right, so the behind the back whip. Outside turn for the followers. How do I do this cool one? This is still number 9. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I connect this into her arm and lead the outside turn 5, 6, 7, and 8, which works really well if the follower knows
the whip with an outside turn.
Bingo, right? Which is why we put this as like 1 and 2. All right, as promised, here is the video for 11 whips you need to know for West Coast Swing, but maybe cooler if you're serious about West Coast Swing. I've got a free gift. It is our pattern tree chart. It will show you how all the patterns that we teach relate back to the basic push, pass, and whip. So in this case, we're talking whips. So you'll be able to see the basic whip, whip with an inside turn, and so on and so forth to the coolest whips you know. You can download it here for free. We'll see you on the other side.